Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I wanted to film a video showing my hair go from straight to curly. I've had my hair straight for a while and I've been using a lot of heat because I've been doing a hairstyle series on my Instagram, just doing different hairstyles and stuff. So I've been pretty much using a lot of heat. So I was kind of concerned. I was like, will my curls pop again? Will my curls come back again? Okay. Oh, and if you guys want to see that series, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Miriam J. Hampton to see all the hairstyles I tried out. Okay, so on to today's wash day. So I make sure that my hair is fully saturated and I like to double cleanse on wash day. My hair, or my scalp I should say, was itching so badly. So I definitely was so excited for wash day and to double cleanse. So I'm going to be starting off with our best-selling black rice water shampoo. Now this shampoo is hands down super clarifying and cleansing, but as well as moisturizing. So a lot of clarifying shampoos strip your hair because obviously they want to get rid of all the gunk and buildup, but this shampoo gets rid of all the gunk and buildup without stripping your hair. So it's really hydrating. It has black rice water, obviously, castor oil, tea tree, eucalyptus. So this stuff is really great at cleansing the hair, and obviously I'm using my scalp massager, the ultimate scalp massager, to put the shampoo into my hair. And I love doing this because it really gets the product deep into my scalp and just massage my hair, and it feels so good, and it's really great if you want to stimulate hair growth. So using this tool is essential. All right, so next I'm going to be using our maximum strength shampoo bar, and if you're going to be double cleansing, I always suggest to do it in this order because this shampoo is super moisturizing. So this cold press shampoo bar has amazing natural ingredients, all natural ingredients: rosemary infused, coconut oil, avocado oil, castor oil, shea butter. It has henna powder, but not the henna that's gonna dye your hair, the neutral henna powder, stinging needle. So if your hair loves natural herbs like my hair does, this is just great. So all of these ingredients together strengthen and repair hair loss, as well as helping with hair growth. So you're going to focus this a lot on your scalp and your roots. I also put it on the length of my hair, but you really want to focus this product on your scalp. Okay, so after you're done with that, you're going to make sure you rinse all of that product out of your hair. And then we're going to start the detangling process. So I'm using the Maximum Strength Hair Growth Daily Conditioner, and it's conditioner that you can use every single day. And I love it. So I'm going to do a few pumps of this and then saturate my whole entire head of hair with this conditioner. Alright, so this conditioner has Manuka honey and shea. It's very moisturizing, and I love it because it just makes the detangling process so much easier. So this really helps with rebuilding your hair elasticity, and I definitely think that it helps with definition as well because I like to use it as a leave-in as well. So I don't use too much when I use it as a leave-in, but I do use a little bit, and that's what I'm going to do today, and I'm going to show you guys in a minute. So I'm using our Ultimate Detangling Brush, and as you can see, I only have to detangle my hair in 2 sections, which is actually because my hair was straightened, and my hair, basically, I'm able to detangle it every single day when my hair is straightened. So I just always find it a lot easier to detangle my hair when I'm just like newly being done having straightened hair. I don't know if I'm making any sense, but it's just a lot easier versus if I, wear my hair curly every single day and I have to get into the shower and detangle it. But yeah, I just use the brush and I detangle my hair like so, and it's a really easy, quick process. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and rinse all of that out of my hair, and then I'm gonna share with you my results. So I did diffuse my hair. So if you guys want to see how I diffuse my hair or how I, do that as in my routine, I can definitely do a video like that. So let me know down below in the comment section. But I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give me a huge thumbs up if you did. If you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video, and hit the bell so notifications will come straight to your phone. You can follow me on any of my social media at Miriam J. Hampton at MH Hair Growth, and you can shop all of your hair growth needs at miriamhampton.com. All right, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.